Each and every student is unique. It's important to choose a career path that lines up with your individual interests, goals, and passions. Stark State College's Learn to Earn program is the perfect opportunity for high school students like you to get a head start on your career by gaining real-world work experience and skills. Learn to Earn has partnered with Ohio Gratings Incorporated to give you the opportunity to earn college credit while working in the field and honing your craft. Ohio Gratings Incorporated is a manufacturer of metal bar gratings with their headquarters right here in Canton, Ohio. They are the only privately owned, full-line grating manufacturer in the United States and have created a special division to cater to the architectural needs of their customers, making them a company that businesses across the globe rely on. Ohio Gratings supplies all aspects of the grating industry and is looking for students with interests in welding, machine operating, and manufacturing. This opportunity is the perfect way for you to learn the necessary skills that will build a fruitful career. Ohio Gratings is offering a variety of ways for students to gain valuable, industry-required skills while obtaining college credit. With internships, co-ops, and even tuition reimbursement, students are invited to learn through one of Ohio Gratings' 8 career pathways. These pathways include processing, panel press operations, CNC equipment operations, metalworking, material handling, finishing operations, metal cutting, and traction surface operations. Ohio Gratings is in need of hard-working students who are eager to advance their knowledge and continue to learn as they grow. Accelerate your career path today by joining an industry-leading metal grating manufacturer. The Learn to Earn program is perfect for motivated students learning to gain in-demand skills, develop connections, and find a lucrative career soon after graduation, setting you apart from future applicants, all while earning college credits that you can use toward your degree. Don't wait any longer to start your career. Talk to your school counselor about how to enroll in the Learn to Earn program. Interested in taking a tour of Ohio Gratings Incorporated? Contact Ryan Palmer, Stark State Enrollment Representative today.